What's up, guys? This is Theo here coming to you live with another coding tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the task runner Grunt. I literally just looked up how to do this today, and I'm not the greatest, but I wanted to use it so that I could have it watch my SASS and um, compile it into SCSS or compile my SCSS into regular CSS. So we're going to go through how to do this. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a directory. I'm just going to call mine grunt demo, I guess. CD grunt demo. We're going to touch a few files in there. We're going to do package.json. So we're going to use the node package manager. We're going to touch gruntfile.js because that's what Grunt uses to read the commands you give it to run the task. We're going to touch style.scss. We're going to touch style.css. And then we're going to npm install grunt. What is it not? Oh, right. Let me actually go into let me open up file, open up package.json, give it empty object. Let's run this again. This will install grunt. And once it finishes, now we have grunt. And then we want to install let's see if that exists. Grunt contribute watch. I guess that is the one. Let's make sure. Grunt watch. I already got the watch in there. And let's get one more in there. Alright, and then we want to npm install what is it called? Grunt contrib SASS, I guess. I don't know. I think that's it for the SASS package manager. And then sort of have it in this document, but we'll go through how to do it. I guess that's it. SASS. Now we have these node modules. We have our grunt file. Basically, the way you set up your grunt is you're going to export it as a function so that your document can use it. So you just write module.exports as a function, and it takes this grunt object that it's being passed into so you can use. And then the way to initialize commands is this grunt.init config, which takes in an object. And so we're going to use first is the name of the module we're going to use. So this one's called SASS, and we're going to configure it. So this dist is just going to be the directory, and we're going to pass in some options to it. Style is expanded. Update is true. Just is set to a boolean, which just means it's only going to update when there's new changes. And then we're just going to give it source map set to auto, which just will generate a source map for the SASS. And we're going to point it to our styles. We'll just say style.css, and our SASS file is style.scss. We'll go down here. Then our next one is called a watch, and configure this. And this will just take in the kind of file we want to watch, CSS. We go to files, and this just means all SASS files. And we want to pass it. It's going to be passed an array of tasks. In this case, we're just using a SASS, so I think you could just do it as a single string. But after you get that down, we close out our init config. Let me take this up. I guess I have it one layer up. Okay, so we got that going. And then I just did this for fun. wrote this command, found this on Stack Overflow, on watch, so the task is watch. It takes in a function, and it has these parameters that come along with the action, file path, and the target. And basically, Grunt has its own version of console.log, and it is grunt.log.writeLine, sort of like C# console. And then we'll just say target plus file path plus has plus and then the action. And then after we do that, the last thing we need to do to get it to work is we need to actually load in these modules that we're using. So we're going to do grunt.load npm tasks. This is just reaching into your or your node modules folder and making sure these actually exist. And this is called grunt contrib watch. This is to watch. And then we have grunt.contrib or grunt.load npm task. I wonder if I could actually pass this in an array. I'm not sure. I'm going to try that out. Load task. I'm curious if that would work. Grunt contrib SASS. And yeah, so we're loading those tasks. And then we got to register the test so that it actually runs. The first one we're just going to call it default, which is just the SASS, but we could call it sassify. This just takes in that SASS task. So the first is the name of the task, the second is actually the task itself, and the third parameter is a function you can pass it. And we're just going to do grunt.log.writeLine SASS task has run. So it's kind of redundant because I have it up here on this event too, but it doesn't really matter. And then we have grunt.register task SASS or watch SASS. And this will take in the watch task. And we can also do a function. And we can do grunt.log.writeLine SASS is watching, or SASS watcher is watching. Watching style sheets. And then after we do that, that is all we need. Now we can go into our terminal and we can just type grunt. See what we get. Grunt task default not found. Where do I have that? Task default not found. Register task. Oh, right, because there's no grunt watch or grunt sassify. Let's see if that runs. Sassify not found. Unexpected token. Oh, I'm gonna take that out. Task sass. Run this again. Path must be a string received grunt. Oh, right. Okay, so I guess you can't use this array. I was thinking you could. So now that I know that, maybe, I don't know if it'll accept it like that. Well, I guess it does. So now SASS task has run. And let's just type in, well, first let's try it out. So like, let's go and write some SASS. And we'll just do main color is red. And we'll just say, let's make the body color is main color. Kind of stupid, but whatever. Let's run our task again, grunt sassify. So SASS task has run. And why is it not? Task has run. Style.css, style.css. Grunt contrib watch. Grunt contrib watch. Let me just load these as separate real quick. Task. Grunt contrib SASS. Let's run this again. Contrib watch. That's kind of frustrating. Let's get these. Grunt contrib watch. I thought I had it, but whatever. So it is npm install grunt contrib watch. I thought I had it. Npm install grunt contrib watch save dev. Got that. And grunt contrib SASS. Grunt contrib SASS. Let's get the other one. And that is npm install grunt contrib SASS save dev. And now let's actually try and run it. Grunt task default, right? Because it defaults to that. Grunt sassify. Let's run this. SASS task has run, done. I'm not really sure why that's. Why is it not working? Grunt file.json. Let me see real quick. Grunt file.json. Module.export SASS disk. Contrib watch. Watch SASS. Sassify. Let me just call this default. Let me see if it'll grunt. SASS task has run. Task. SASS. Watch SASS. Watch SASS. Watch. Files. Dist option. Style.css. Style.css. Okay, update true. Okay, let me see. Green is green. Let's run this again. Grunt. Task is run. Grunt watch. Okay. Okay, it's running. It's writing. File. Added. Done. Has changed. So that worked, but I guess I'm not sure why. Why my grunt SASS did not run. CSS. Okay, grunt default. SASS task is run. Let me try something. Seems strange, but grunt default. SASS task is run. Red. That's really weird. Not sure. Let me just try taking these out. I guess I must have typed something wrong. I don't know. Let me get rid of this date I'm using here. And let me try it again. Grunt default, changed, done, color red, color main, grunt default, grunt. I guess this SASS just converts it, but yeah, I'm not really sure. I'll have to look into that for you guys. But that's a pretty basic tutorial on how to use Grunt. Um, Documentation is fairly straightforward, I feel like. Obviously, you gotta have your package.json and know a little bit about SASS and whatnot, but all of it's still JavaScript, so it's fairly straightforward. Anyways, guys, I'm not saying I'm an expert. I literally just started learning it about a few hours ago. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, guys, leave me a comment, give me some feedback. Always appreciate it. And remember to subscribe, help me get to 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.